Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Hustlers. In today's video, we'll see how we can register for the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program within the Google Cloud event. First, we'll go to official Arcade page. I'll add this URL of the website in our video description, or I will directly attach the form's URL below. Here you need to click the enroll in this program Google form. You need to fill out this full Google form. Check this email box, right? Then click on next. Click on I'm not robot. You have to accept this terms and condition. Click on yes, I accept the terms and click on next. If you decline, your access will be removed from this program. So make sure you accept this and click on next. This pop-up keeps appearing, so just ignore it. First of all, you need to fill in your name just like this. Right now, I am filling out this form just for testing purposes. Add regular gender, selected India as a country. And next, are you a student or working professional? Select working professional or student as per your choice. Select your graduation deadline when you have passed out, and it will ask you for a referral code. If you enter no for a referral code, that is fine, but make sure to select yes. A facilitator will be assigned to it and they'll guide you for the full program. If any issues comes up, they'll assist you. I have provided 2 or 3 facilitator codes in the video description. You can use any one of them as a facilitator code. They can reach out to you directly. I have copied the code that it asks whether you have a skill boost account or not. For this, click on this URL. After clicking on this URL, you need to create a public profile. You have to sign in and then create a public profile. I have made a separate video for this, so you can go to how to create a public profile and watch that video. Go to settings, then if your visibility is turned on here, then it's okay. Copy the link from here. Okay. If it's not, click on it and click update settings. You will get a URL. This is your public profile. You can directly copy it from here, come back to the form and select no, I want to create one if you are making a new profile. If you already have a profile but it doesn't have badges, can choose whichever option is suitable for you to. But I would recommend that you create a new email ID, create a new public profile with it, and then complete this program. Then click on next. I will paste the public profile link here. So I verify, click on next. Here you will get the option to paste the public profile link. Okay, I have pasted the public profile link. Next, which email ID is associated with this public profile? It will be the same email ID that you already created. So I will copy its email ID from here. Okay, I have copied the email ID and I'll paste it. Whichever email ID you use to create the public profile, paste the exact same email ID and click on next. Now what you need to do is create a developer profile badge. How is that created? Click on next. On this page, click on join developer profile. Click on create profile here. I accept. Click on create profile. Here you can describe what you are. So if you are a DevOps engineer or student, select accordingly. Click on create profile. Click on become a member. You can enter your city like this. The option is already there. You can also enter your company, and if there is no company, enter your college name or just write NA. Okay. On view public profile, now what you need to do is go to the settings here. See your profile is currently private. Go to settings. Go to settings. Then here you will need to turn this checkbox. Importantly, turn on the public profile option here. Okay, you can create a URL here by entering your own name. Otherwise, you can also skip this. Okay, now my profile is public. Where do I copy the link from? There is share button option here. Clicking here copies it automatically. Go back, you need to paste it here. Okay, then click on next, acknowledge all the terms, click on submit. If you face any issues while creating this public profile, you can refer to this video. If there is any problem, mention it in the video's comment section. Leave your questions here and I'll answer all of them.